Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to make a vase. It is a very modern look like vase and I'm going to make it using only 4 products which are very easy to get. So watch till the end, and if you like the video, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video.
So as I mentioned that we will be needing only 4 items. So the 4 items, first is this bottle. It's a small size bottle. Then we have this glue. It's Flex Quick and it is very much adhesive. And then we have this rope. And the last thing, these wooden sticks. You can get it easily anywhere in any stationery. So we will start with pasting the glue over the bottle, and we will paste those sticks on it. And just be careful while doing this process, because as it is a very much self-adhesive glue, so you can stick your finger also. So just take precautions while doing this process. So this is how we are going to paste all of these sticks over the bottle, and just try to align them properly from the bottom, so that it will be easy for the bottle to stand, because if you're going to keep it like very much below, then it is going to be difficult for the bottle to stand. So this is going to be the final look. Now we have to use the rope, and we have to secure it. It is basically for the security of the sticks, so they don't come out. So we are going to stick the one circle of the rope with the glue, and then we are going to roll the whole rope, just the small part at the bottom like this, and we are going to secure the end of the rope. Now we will cut the rope from the end. And same thing we have to do at the upper side of the bottle, but here we have to just make it quite tightly. So I have taken help from my friend. You can also take help from somebody, because this have to be, so like this, it should be very tight, and then you have to keep on rolling it till the edge of the bottle. So this, like this. So once you roll it till the end, we again have to secure the end of the rope with the glue. So you see, I have covered the whole bottle till the top. Like this. Okay, now this is going to be the final look. Isn't it looking very beautiful? And it is very, very, very easy to make. I personally loved how it turned out. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and comment down below for more such content. Thank you.